Moving on to our second speaker, a high school graduate, a former sales lady for almost 15 years, passionate doing lifestyles business full time. Class first honor the 90-day program batch 5. Achieved the third highest position in Lifestyles Philippines. The leader of Negros Kugi team. Ladies and gentlemen, our next speaker, National Marketing Director, Fidelita Iligan. The floor is yours, NMD.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Juby, for that warm welcome. So my task this morning is to discuss to you the opportunity behind the best products, Intron, NutriPlus, and CardioLife, which was being discussed by Ma'am Letty Abanid. So if the products are good, the business is done. Yes or yes? Of course, yes. So the good thing is there is a powerful distribution tool used by some 500 Fortune companies, the easiest way to move products, which is network marketing. So let's find out why network marketing. It's simple because it operates like a franchise without a high cost. So hindi natin kailangang mag-invest ng millions to earn millions. And a multi-billion dollar industry experienced success for almost 50 years. Grabe, 50 years. So hindi na po tayo maano pa sa business kasi 50 years, ang sobrang tagal na. And then low startup cost with unlimited potential income and offers leveraging the secret of the rich and taught in business schools. Wow, grabe talaga yung lifestyles. So how would you become a lifestyles distributor? So we have here the first, so choose between the two packages. The first one is Instant Direct. So in Instant Direct, you have a 30% outright discount. You have to pay 103,430 and you can get a 21 Better Together kit or an assorted products, any products at worth 144,900 plus you can have a 9 Intra for free. That's 16,200. So your profit and savings would be 57,670 and the return on investment is 56%. So the next package is the Express Direct. So you can have a 20% outright discount and you have to pay 62,720 and you can get an 11 Better Together kit that's worth of 75,900. Then you can have a 3 Intra bottle for free. It's worth of 5,400. So your profit and savings would be 18,580 and the return on investment is 30%. So either of the two packages, you are entitled to a personal accident insurance, 1 million pesos or a 100,000 hospital reimbursement tie up with BPI Bank. And of course, you can enjoy in your next purchase the 40% discount. Yes or yes? Of course, yes. So here are because we are in the global business, here are the packages in the different countries. Just take a photo for your references. So we have here the packages in UAE, in Canada, UK, USA, and Malaysia. All right. So, moving on, let's talk about the passive income opportunity in lifestyles. So, once you are already a direct distributor, you will have the chance to avail the privilege which lifestyles company have. Along your way of sharing the products, if somebody will sign up, Express Direct, which is Miss C, then the company will give you a bonus of 14,638. Now, another one, which is Miss D, signed up Instant Direct. Then you'll be receiving 16,301 manager's check. Wow, amazing. So your total bonus would be 30,939. So, plus, you can have a 9 Intra bottle for free, worth 16,200. So your total active income would be 47,139. Wow! So, okay. And you're gonna okay. So dito sa lifestyles, you're gonna work hard, then you'll be compensated well. So then here's how the passive income opportunity. If assuming your downline A, supposedly your downline A is your last month, you sponsored last month. So downline A has sponsored 4 Express Directs. Then you can have a 2,440 passive income in each. Then times 4, that would be 9,760. And here comes your downline B. Downline B has 2 sponsored. Then you can have a 2,440 times 2 passive income. That would be 4,880. So your total passive income would be 14,640. So the passive income is the income while you're sleeping. Yes or yes? Of course, yes. So your total earnings would be 61,779. Yes. Okay. So this is the power of duplication. So all you have to do is to find 6 leaders working with the system. It would be aligned with the system because it's the system that finds your 6 people. So sasamahan, tuturuan at tutulungan natin sila dito. Okay, so if you can find 6, then yung 6 is tuturuan natin sa system. Yung 6, maghahanap din sila ng tig-6 nila. So it would be 36. Then yung 36 will find their 6 also. It would become 216. Until 3 to 5 years of continuing doing the business or the mission, it would become 9,330. But statistically, if only 20% out of 9,330 or 1,866 people order just 3 B tickets per month, wow, your royalty bonus would be 1,241,556 month after month after month, or $30,229 per month. Wow, really, the duplication is a royalty bonus. So dear guests, what do you want to be and how much would you like to earn? So here are the potential income. If you are a direct distributor, you can have a potential income of 20,000. Working direct distributor would be earning 20,000 to 40,000. Working regional director, your potential income would be 40,000 to 75,000. Then working executive director, 75,000 to 200,000. National marketing director, 200,000 to 500,000. Then the international marketing director would be 500,000 to 1 million. Wow! And of course, the global marketing director, more than 1 million every month after month after month, or more than 20,000 US dollars. Wow! So how are we going to be a global marketing director? Paano po tayo magiging global marketing director and will earn 1 million pesos every month? So there are only 3 keys to success. All right. So first one is dream. Dapat may mga dream talaga tayo. Yung malalaking pangarap, yung pangarap na nalibing na 6 feet below the ground. Once mag-join kayo sa Lifestyles, huhukayin ni Lifestyles yan. Yes or yes? Of course, yes! Yung mga malalaking pangarap talaga, dahil yung pangarap na yan is yan yung drive mo. Kung bakit, at yung reason mo kung bakit kailangan mong lumabas sa comfort zone mo. Kasi yung comfort zone mo, where your dreams die. And of course, we need to work for our dream. Dapat magtatrabahuan talaga natin yung dream natin. And be teachable. So you will be guided along your way. So we have the best mentor and the support system. Yes or yes? All right. Step on board and begin your journey of a lifetime. So once again, this is National Marketing Director Fidelita Iligan. So let me share to you my journey. Before I met Lifestyles, I was an ordinary person. Due to lack of education, I was stuck being a sales lady in a leading grocery store in Dumaguete City for almost 15 years. And I thought I would be a sales lady in my whole life. Until one day, Lifestyles products was introduced to me way back of February 2017. I took the Better Together kit and commit the 3 months detox program, even if lack of financial. Thanks God, that was really an answered prayer because my health challenge that I suffered many years ago, which was the acute chronic sinusitis, was addressed. So the polyps in my nasal that's supposed to be undergone operation was gone. Goodbye antibiotics that I took many years and pain relievers during my monthly periods. So from that experience, I started sharing the benefits of the products to my relatives and friends without knowing that it was a beginning of an opportunity. Then I was invited to attend a presentation like this before. And I realized that if the products are good, the business is done. So I find the ways to start the business. I did SSS and Pag-ibig loan for my startup capital and did the business part-time. 3 months after, I was promoted to regional director. The next month, I was promoted again to executive director and able to buy my new brand new motorcycle from my lifestyles income. Then I discovered that the opportunity in lifestyles is real. My income kept increasing. So August of 2019, I decided to resign and focus doing lifestyles business. That was the best decision I made. October of 2020, I was promoted executive director, 6 qualified like power leg. Then the following month, I got my first brand new car. Who have thought that it was just my dreams before? Through lifestyles business, it comes to reality. And I'm so much blessed because not only my health challenges was addressed, package na din yung itsura at ang cancer sa bulsa. Grabe, decision lang talaga, willingness, sipag at syaga ang puhunan dito. We need to go out in our comfort zone because as I said, in our comfort zone where our dreams die. So, of course, what else? Sa lifestyles, bibi na ang mga free travels. Pag hindi ka nakwatsira dahil walang time at wala ding pera, sa lifestyles, magiging turista ka. Ilan lang yan sa mga places na napuntahan ko. So I've been to Aguinaldo Falls, whale watching in Oslo, Bensumilon Island, in Coron, Palawan, Plantation Bay, in Campistuan, in Bacolod, in Baguio, Ilocos Norte, and Vigan. I was also one of the qualifier in the Singapore for free. Gusto niyo din ba yan? Ay, yes, of course, yes. So ang pinaka-takeaway ko dito ay ang personality growth. The person I will become. Ang dating mahiyain, mukhang yagit, nag-level up. Sa kakalaklak ng intra, nako, lumabas talaga ang greatness ko. Kayang makapag-deliver ng speech in front of thousands of audience in Aliw Theater and in Inaris, Manila. So my first check doing lifestyles business part-time was 28,000 when I was promoted to regional director. And my highest check when I was also promoted to National Marketing Director was 219,000 combined with my husband. Indeed, lifestyles business is the best business in the land. An opportunity that changed my life from nothing to something, from an ordinary person to a channel of blessings to others, from a product user to a distributor. Kaya dear friends and viewers right now, decide for a change. Nobody can do it for you except yourself alone. Sign up now and be one of us. With that, thank you and good morning.
Wow, thank you so much, Ma'am Fidelita, for presenting well about the marketing plan of lifestyles and of course for sharing with us your love story in your lifestyles journey. Truly, lifestyles business is the best business opportunity in the land.